Hello everyone, welcome to the other episode. I don't know how many episodes are on. I want to say 5, probably 6. But today we are playing Dubai. Yep. Now, I've just finished doing the other episode, and by just, I mean about 10-15 seconds ago. So, if my voice sounds like a bit, you know why. So go back to the next video, last video, and you'll see the team. But right now we are currently going to fight Dubai. So obviously there's fancy people. Send out the muscly dude. Get some money as well on the roll. Muscly dude's gonna take out everyone. He's a god, he is. Look at him. Single-handedly taking on everyone. My goal for today, during Dubai, is to make sure that I can get the walking, talking JoJo reference, big chunky dude, and the literal god himself, the uber super rare. And want all 3 of them out in the battlefield at once. But before I do that, dog extinction. Never mind. Why does this game have such good music as well? It's just a game about cats and dogs and some snakes fighting each other. Music doesn't have to go this hard. Right, he's getting knocked back. I gotta do something about that. So I'm sending out more fellas. There you go, there's 3 of them. But get ready to wipe them out, people. Right, that should be the last one. Extinction. Right, 2 of them versus the world. Look at him go. Me boys. No, me boy. Send out more friends. And my cannon's ready, almost. 2,600. 3,900. So that... my estimations weren't correct. Fire! Okay, there we go. Okay, we did it, everyone. We've got the walking, talking JoJo reference to the actual people themselves. Their little meteorites and Big Chungus himself. Right now we could just start spamming cats. Wushu. Brave. Oh my god, he's got a little pig stone in his head. Didn't realise that. Go, me cow. I've now got one of everything. Oh god, there is a penguin! Send out everything. Never mind, the penguin is dead. That was a very easy. How much time we got left? Can we invade Saudi Arabia? 4 minutes in? Hell yeah. This is what they get for stealing Neymar, CR7 and everything. I get it, they're trying to repopulate dead football. But still. Right, they've already sent out a hippo, which is kind of... okay. Well, good luck Wushu, good luck Bisu, and you're very long range. Yeah, you're long range. Never mind. Send out meat shields, I suppose. Let's shoot him with a cannon, I suppose. Watch him die, I suppose. Stand up the pirate dude. Yar me yardies. It's can't go wrong, can it? Pirate dude. Somehow this is actually going well and no one's really dying. Let's put that in. Oh god, the hippo dude's back. Don't worry, the base is going to be dead. Just send one of these for good luck. That was a waste of time anyway, he's not even quick enough to get to the base before it's dead. We have time for one, the encyclopedia. What do I need an encyclopedia? Oh! We don't have any enemies. Get the dog. The snake. Those guys. Hippo-y. Pidge. Oh, Jackie Peng. Nah, I'm just gonna call him Penguin Dude. You're gonna be your mother. You're going to be Hippo. I like the name of those guys. You're just Snake and you're just Dog. So if anyone tries flirting me about it, zip it, lock in, put it in your pocket. Because I say no. Let's go invade Kenya. Yeah. You can't really see the countdown as well. The screen recorder. Matches in with a very sunset themed background. Reminder, my singing monster. Oh yeah. Forgot about that. That's supposed to be a new island or something. Stay tuned Sunday. Get a reaction probably. I will try. Yes. Okay, so we need some meat shields first. Kind of obvious. I feel like I've kind of overdone it. I mean, they are plain dogs. I'm already level 10. I probably shouldn't be level 10 until I roughly get about, like, a turkey. I'm just going to get myself some more money. Ah, I got across the whole battlefield. Perfect. Now, what's going to be the bad thing on this level? Oh my god. Right. Floating. You're everything. So if I just... Oh, and so are you. For God's sake, man, you are an Uber. Fire in the hole! Oh! Oh god, there's a hippo! Well, that was very quick. Well, no, Jesus Christ. So not chunky dude. Don't get how that's a cat, but okay. The power of teamwork! Ah! Jesus Christ. Oh, misclick, send out pirate. Well, that should do it. Oh my god, I got the treasure as well, no way. Do we have time for Madagascar? Probably, but I'm going to save that until tomorrow morning. And considering it's weekend, see you tomorrow. Goodbye, people.